In this video, we're going to be putting on the Spigen privacy screen protector on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Follow along. First, we will unbox this. So this is a 2-pack. It comes with 2 screen protectors and the installation piece. And this actually comes with a nice squeegee. I haven't seen one of these before. That's a new addition. Happy to see that. Instructions. All right, and let's get to this. So I am no pro in installing screen protectors, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to install these and you can get a pretty good finish. All right, just going to get that last little pieces out there. Sweet. So what is also included in here will be your screen cleaner and dust removal stickers. So this is a brand new phone and a brand new screen, but I did do an unboxing video with trying on some cases, so we definitely got to clean the screen off that has some fingerprints on it. We're going to take this case off, put the phone down, we're going to clean the screen. You're going to want to start off by grabbing a cleaning wipe. Like I said, this is a brand new phone, but we got some fingerprints on it, so we're going to make sure we clean it nicely before we go any further and apply the screen protector, because we don't want any dust or dirt underneath. So we're going to open this up. And we're just going to give the screen a nice wipe. These are nice wipes as they will dry fast and leave no streaks. You go in a circular motion and just cover the whole screen there. Beautiful. So we'll give that a second to cool off. Perfect. All right, so next up, you're going to take this installation piece. We're going to remove the back sticky. So it's labeled here back. We're going to remove that. Then we're going to place the tray onto the phone. So just take care when pulling it back. And then now we're going to aim to place this on top of the phone nice and evenly. All right, so the tray should fit just on top of the phone. Perfect. All right, so we want to line it up so we don't damage anything. So what's going to happen next is we're going to press onto the sticker here. So you're going to press down and slide all the way to the end. At this point, the screen protector is now making contact with the phone. So we're just waiting now 30 seconds for this thing to do its thing. You can set a timer, relax, chill, get excited that you're installing a new screen protector. What a vibe. So next we'll remove this sticker. Very important too when removing the sticker to remove it from the bottom. There's a sticky that says remove from here. So we're gonna lift up the tab and we're gonna pull it through. One other thing to know when doing your install is to put down something soft or an installation pad to make sure that you don't do any damage to your phone. So we're going to pull this sticker up. All right, so after pulling up the sticker, we're going to remove the installation tray and let's see what's going on here. All right, so installation tray has been removed and now we have to remove the protective film that is on the phone here. So let's pull that tab right through. And I do have a little bubble here on my screen. So what I'm going to do is take the squeegee here. We're going to go in small motions and we're going to iron it out. So for the big bubbles here, we're going to just stroke downwards, just trying to push that air out the end. Very good. It's coming right out. Just trying to get this last little bubble out here and we're going to have a perfect install. These bubbles are a little bit stubborn here, but I do not like bubbles, so we're going to get these out. Here, last little piece. One of the cleanest installs I've done of the screen protector. Spigen makes it really easy with this tray. And this stick is pretty heavy duty. It really made it easy to install the screen protector. Would you look at that? You can't even see that there's a glass on there. That looks super sleek. So now that the screen protector is on, we're gonna throw it back into the Ultra Hybrid Spigen case and we will be all ready to rock and roll. This is how we're looking right now. Spigen Ultra Hybrid case with the privacy screen protector on there. That looks mint. Stay tuned for some more videos that come out of the new Pro Max camera, as I am excited to try it out. I'm going to be experimenting with shooting to the external hard drive. That being said, I will be doing an unboxing on the Samsung T9 solid state drive, so make sure that you are subscribed if you want to see that video. If this video helped you out and you enjoyed that easy screen protector installation, please subscribe, drop a like, leave a comment. That really helps our channel get out to more viewers, and I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Take care.